Question. A company employs a team of customer service agents to provide telephone and email support to customers. The company develops a web chat bot to provide automated answers to common customer queries. Which business benefit should the company expect as a result of creating the web chat bot solution? Option A. Increased sales. Option B. A reduced workload for the customer service agents. Option C. Improved product reliability. Option D. Reduced internet bandwidth. The correct answer is B. A reduced workload for the customer service agents. Explanation. The web chat bot automatically handles common customer queries, reducing the workload of customer service agents. Question. For a machine learning project, how should you split data for training and evaluation? Option A. Use features for training and labels for evaluation. Option B. Randomly split the data into rows for training and rows for evaluation. Option C. Use labels for training and features for evaluation. Option D. Randomly split the data into columns for training and columns for evaluation. The correct answer is B. Randomly split the data into rows for training and rows for evaluation. Explanation. Training and evaluation datasets should be created by randomly splitting the rows to ensure unbiased model evaluation. Question. You build a machine learning model by using the Automated Machine Learning User Interface (UI). You need to ensure that the model meets the Microsoft Transparency Principle for Responsible AI. What should you do? Option A. Set validation type to auto. Option B. Enable explain best model. Option C. Set primary metric to accuracy. Option D. Set max concurrent iterations to 0. The correct answer is B. Enable explain best model. Explanation. Model explainability provides feature importance, making AI decisions transparent and easier to understand. Question. You are designing an AI system that empowers everyone, including people who have hearing, visual, and other impairments. This is an example of which Microsoft guiding principle for responsible AI? Option A. Fairness. Option B. Inclusiveness. Option C. Reliability and safety. Option D. Accountability. The correct answer is B. Inclusiveness. Explanation. Inclusiveness ensures AI systems are designed to benefit people of all abilities. Question. You are building an AI system. Which task should you include to ensure that the service meets the Microsoft Transparency Principle? For responsible AI, Option A. Ensure that all visuals have associated text for screen readers. Option B. Enable auto-scaling based on demand. Option C. Provide documentation to help developers debug code. Option D. Ensure that a training dataset is representative of the population. The correct answer is C. Provide documentation to help developers debug code. Explanation. Transparency includes documenting how AI systems are built and how they operate. Question. Your company is exploring the use of voice recognition technologies in its smart home devices. The company wants to identify any barriers that might unintentionally leave out specific user groups. This is an example of which Microsoft guiding principle for responsible AI? Option A. Accountability. Option B. Fairness. Option C. Inclusiveness. Option D. Privacy and security. The correct answer is C. Inclusiveness. Explanation. Inclusiveness focuses on designing AI that is accessible and beneficial to diverse user groups. Question. What are 3 Microsoft guiding principles for responsible AI? Option A. Knowledgeability. Option B. Decisiveness. Option C. Inclusiveness. Option D. Fairness. Option E. Opinionatedness. Option F. Reliability and safety. The correct answer is CDF. Inclusiveness, fairness, reliability and safety. Explanation. These are 3 of Microsoft's 6 responsible AI principles. Question. You run a charity event that involves posting photos of people wearing sunglasses on Twitter. You need to ensure that you only retweet photos that include 1 or more faces and contain at least 1 person wearing sunglasses. What should you use to analyze the images? Option A. The verify operation in the face service. Option B. The detect operation in the face service. Option C. The describe image operation in the computer vision service. Option D. The analyze image operation in the computer vision service. The correct answer is B. The detect operation in the face service. Explanation. The detect operation identifies faces and attributes such as sunglasses. Question. You are building an AI-based app. You need to ensure that the app uses the principles for responsible AI. Which two principles should you follow? Option A. Implement an agile software development methodology. Option B. Implement a process of AI model validation as part of the software review process. Option C. Establish a risk governance committee that includes legal, risk management, and privacy members. Option D. Prevent disclosure of AI-based algorithms used for automated decision-making. The correct answer is BC. Implement AI model validation and establish a risk governance committee. Explanation. Responsible AI requires governance and validation processes to ensure ethical and compliant AI systems. Question. When you design an AI system to assess whether loans should be approved, the factors used to make the decision should be explainable. This is an example of which Microsoft guiding principle for responsible AI? Option A. Transparency. Option B. Inclusiveness. Option C. Fairness. Option D. Privacy and security. The correct answer is A. Transparency. Explanation. Transparency requires AI decisions to be understandable and explainable. Question. You have a dataset that contains information about taxi journeys that occurred during a given period. You need to train a model to predict the fare of a taxi journey. What should you use as a feature? Option A. The number of taxi journeys in the dataset. Option B. The trip distance of individual taxi journeys. Option C. The fare of individual taxi journeys. Option D. The trip ID of individual taxi journeys. The correct answer is B. The trip distance of individual taxi journeys. Explanation. Features are input variables used to predict the label. Trip distance is an input used to predict fare. Question. You need to predict the sea level in meters for the next 10 years. Which type of machine learning should you use? Option A. Classification. Option B. Regression. Option C. Clustering. Option D. Reinforcement learning. The correct answer is B. Regression. Explanation. Regression predicts continuous numeric values such as sea level measurements. Question. Which service should you use to extract text, key, value pairs, and table data automatically from scanned documents? Option A. Form Recognizer. Option B. Text Analytics. Option C. Language Understanding. Option D. Custom Vision. The correct answer is A. Form Recognizer. Explanation. Azure Form Recognizer uses AI to automatically extract text, key, value pairs, and tables from scanned documents and forms. Question. You use Azure Machine Learning Designer to publish an inference pipeline. Which two parameters should you use to consume the pipeline? Option A. The model name. Option B. The training endpoint. Option C. The authentication key. Option D. The REST endpoint. The correct answer is CD. The authentication key and the REST endpoint. Explanation. To consume a published Azure Machine Learning inference pipeline, you need the REST endpoint and the authentication. Primary key. Question. A medical research project uses a large anonymized dataset of brain scan images that are categorized into predefined brain hemorrhage types. You need to use machine learning to support early detection of the different brain hemorrhage types before the images are reviewed by a person. This is an example of which type of machine learning? Option A. Clustering. Option B. Regression. Option C. Classification. Option D. Reinforcement learning. The correct answer is C. Classification. Explanation. Classification predicts predefined categories or classes. In this case, the model classifies brain scan images into known hemorrhage types. Question. When training a model, why should you randomly split the rows into separate subsets? Option A. To train the model twice to attain better accuracy. Option B. To train multiple models simultaneously to attain better performance. Option C. To test the model by using data that was not used to train the model. Option D. To reduce the number of features in the dataset. The correct answer is C. To test the model by using data that was not used to train the model. Explanation. Randomly splitting the dataset creates separate training and testing sets, allowing the model to be evaluated on previously unseen data. Question. You are evaluating whether to use a basic workspace or an enterprise workspace in Azure Machine Learning. What are two tasks that require an enterprise workspace? Option A. Use a graphical user interface. GUI. To run automated machine learning experiments. Option B. Create a compute instance to use as a workstation. Option C. Use a graphical user interface. G. To define and run machine learning experiments from Azure Machine Learning Designer. Option D. Create a dataset from a comma-separated value. CSV file. The correct answer is AC. Run automated machine learning experiments and use Azure Machine Learning Designer. Explanation. Historically, enterprise workspaces were required for AutoML and Azure Machine Learning Designer. Note: enterprise workspaces were retired in September 2020, and these capabilities are now available in the standard workspace.